How to share a PowerPoint presentation as a link. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share your PowerPoint presentation as a link and not as a file. So let's get started. First of all, just locate the file wherever it is. So let's say this is my presentation. Now if I try to mail it to somebody, now if I just drag this and drop it here, you will see that it gets sent as a file and not as a link. Now, if I want to send it as a link, I'll need to upload it to a drive. Now, simply head over to your Google Drive. After you head over to your Google Drive, upload your presentation. Now, after you upload your presentation, wait for it to get uploaded. And after it gets uploaded, tap on the three dots on the right hand side of the presentation. After you tap on it, you'll see the share icon. Tap on share and you will see copy link. Tap on copy link. Now, after you tap on copy link, you can simply head over to your mail or any other places. You can directly DM the link to your to whomever you want to send it to. After you're on mail, tap on the insert link option, insert the link here, and tap on done. Now, as you can see, the link has been inserted. Now, choose a recipient. After you choose a recipient, just add a subject, and you can simply send this. Now, wait while it gets sent, and now we'll check if it has been sent. So while this gets sent, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's go ahead and check it. Now let me reload this. The file has still not arrived, and there we go. Now as you can see right here, that is the link. If I press on the link, it will redirect me to the PowerPoint presentation. Now it will open it in Google Slides, and yeah, that is basically it. That is how you do it. Now don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.